A shocking firing incident in Pune has exposed the alleged reach of Lawrence Bishnoi gang into Maharashtra's business community. What initially appeared to be a local crime has now turned into a major organized crime investigation after gang members allegedly demanded 50 crore in extortion from a steel businessman and his partners before opening fire on their property. The incident took place late night at Pune's Mantarwadi area where two undefined youths allegedly opened fire at the godown of a prominent steel businessman. The attack sent shockwaves through the business community and created panic among the residents in that particular area. Fortunately, no injuries were reported in the firing. However, the incident has raised serious concerns about the growing threat of organized crime networks operating in Maharashtra. According to the police investigation, the firing was alleged linked to an extortion racket. Sources revealed that the steel businessman and his business partners had received threats demanding of 50 crore. The gang was warned for the serious consequences if money was not paid. When the businessman reportedly refused to pay the demand, the attackers allegedly carried out the firing to create fear and pressure them onto paying the extortion amount. Now, the case has took a dramatic turn when individuals claiming to be associated with the Vishnoi gang allegedly took responsibility for the attack through the social media post. The development immediately intensified the investigation as the Bishnoi gang is considered one of the India's most notorious criminal networks and has been linked to many extortions, contract killings, and threats against the businessman and high profile personalities across the country. Deputy Commissioner of Police Gohar Hassan confirmed that a case has been registered and special investigation team has been formed to track down the accused. Police teams have already launched a search operation to identify and arrest the shooters involved in the entire attack that has been taken place yesterday night. Investigators have seized the CCTV footage from the crime scene and the nearby areas. Police have also examining the phone records, mobile records, digital communications, as well as the social media activity to establish the identify the suspects and verify the connection that is involved with the Bishnoi gang. Officials are now investigating whether the same criminal network has been targeted other businessmen in Pune and neighboring districts also or not. Even authorities suspect that organized gangs are increasingly using social media platforms for the messages, application to issue threats for the local operatives and coordinate criminal activities across the multiple states. Now we have to see what further investigation will this yesterday's midnight attack will bring out. With camera person Palak, I'm Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.